So I'm picking up those 10 in there.
Yeah.
Okay. There's a card in here.
It's basically a...
I got 3 shirts.
It's funny, we have a sitting room, a TV in it. Well, I haven't turned that TV on in 5 years.
Mike, you can convert me
They're
then?
always in the living room and never go to bed at that point. I think he's holding it around.
No, she wants me to hold over there.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's me. Oh. Well, I think I got the other. All right, that's it.
Well, I'll go to the standpoint. Okay.